what product review do we give this jacket?
Don't buy your stuff at Burlington Coat Factory.
Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. Xander here with another video. It is 7 in the morning here in Victor, Idaho, December 19th. Been up since 5:30 in the morning. Today I do have my reservation for Jackson Hole and I am super stoked to see that mountain. The important thing about this early season is that although snow has been coming late for the most part, you do need to be extra cautious, especially since there are some closures and possible hazards that you need to be aware of. Yesterday, I was able to check out Grand Targhee. Took it pretty easy. The powder up there, especially at the summit, was pretty awesome. The first day of the season, I got to spend some time on the Bunny Hills teaching the fellows. You can check out that vlog right over here when I checked out Grand Targhee. That gave me a good opportunity to get pretty warmed up, get to know my board. It's a rental, never summer. This is the first time I ride that kind of board. That thing rides like a dream. Absolutely love it. Super excited to use it today at Jackson. I originally had a 2-day reservation for Jackson Hole, but we called an audible last minute and decided to check out Grand Targhee. It was definitely a better mountain for the guys to get more acquainted with boarding. And I didn't want to throw them to the wolves because I understand that Jackson Hole's one of the more steeper mountains in the United States. So yeah, I mean, they handled it great. Grand Targhee was awesome. I got to ride their main lift in the Shoshone area, which is all beginner friendly, which is a very chill ride for if you're an experienced boarder, it's a very chill ride. Definitely a good opportunity to get warmed up and work on your mechanics. Today's our last day here in Victor, Idaho. This day has been nothing but awesome to us, and we appreciate the hospitality and warmth that the community offers us. You guys rock. Seriously, I've never met more friendlier people. Big shout out to Victor and Driggs, Idaho. You guys rock, and I can't wait to come back and spend more time in your town. Definitely looking forward to Jackson Hole. They haven't gotten too much snow in the last 24 hours, and they're actually forecasted to be getting upwards to 3 inches of snow today. It's looking like it's going to be sunny and partly cloudy. You know, conditions right now, their base is about 25 to 48 inches, and their season total is right now standing at 136 inches. And again, I'm reading this off the Icon Pass app, which is a stellar app. They've made some pretty great improvements this year. You can customize your favorite list and check out the current conditions and live map and tracking. It even informs you what lifts and trails are available today. Today, it looks like Jackson Hole only has 9 out of the 13 lifts open, with only 22 out of their 131 trails open. So, we'll see. The locals tell me that Jackson gets pretty packed. It's a very touristy spot, very commercialized from what I heard. So, I mean, it is one of the most popular mountain resorts in the United States, so I totally understand. Other than that, super stoked about today. But yeah, other than that, we got a big day ahead of us today. Totally forgot to take this off, and I just noticed there was a rock concert, a live performance in a local bar over here, the Naughty Pine. It was pretty cool. It was actually a very awesome atmosphere. The band was pretty dope. I forgot the name of the band, but they were from Salt Lake City, and it was pretty cool. You know, got to connect with the locals and, you know, have a couple beers. Idaho is great. I love it. So going back to what I was saying earlier about the community vibe here, love the atmosphere. But yeah, I had to explain that. I just noticed they were watching the video back and like, oh yeah, I forgot the wristband. Anyway, I'm gonna have some quick breakfast now, get some energy, get some stretching in. Very important to get some stretching in before a day of snowboarding. Jackson Hole, here we come. Got the boys their lift passes. They offer a full day for beginners lifts only. Their trails are called T10 or T10 lift. It's a whole beginner specific area. It seems pretty cool. Flat area for them to practice, so I'm super stoked for them to try that out. That only came out to like $60 for the day, so that's a pretty good deal if you just want to stick to something beginner friendly. You guys excited? You're gonna get back to Miami and be able to tell them that you rode Jackson Hole.
I don't.
They don't have a choice. They have to get on lifts. Yeah, we're gonna start off with the TEEWINOT. TEEWINOT, I hope I'm saying that right. The TEEWINOT lifts for beginners. Gonna be a good warm-up for me. Teach the boys a little bit more on maybe linking their turns or getting their heel sides down.
Heel side, bro.
Heel side. That's the goal for today.
Yeah.
Get your heels. I've been wanting to do Jackson Hole for a long time now. Super happy that I finally made it out here. It's a hell of a mountain. Highly doubt I'll even be able to get a third of it done. Maybe if I have the time too, I'd like to see Corbet's Couloir. Psych myself up for eventually doing that shoot. Maybe when I'm in greater shape. My man Joey is watching a last second YouTube video on how to get on and off the chairlift.
It's actually how to survive the chairlift.
I guess I should come up with a video like that too, right?
Yeah.
A tutorial?
Yeah, for sure. Right after this.
All right, finally made it. I'm here with Chad. His first lift. It's his first lift, everyone. Round of applause for Chad. We're on the T10. T10. I've been saying it wrong. I'm gonna call it the T10. We're on the T10 lift. It's a green-friendly area for beginners. $60 day pass all day. We got the boys set up with that. We missed Joey. Joey missed this lift. He was too slow. But I hope he sticks to landing a little bit. But we'll be waiting for him on the other side of this lift. But it's a gorgeous day out in Jackson. A little cloudy, but we have the sun at our backs and victory in our faces.
Nice.
Yo, Joey! Joey did it! Joey did it! Yo, his first lift! Heels up, toes up. There you go. Try again. Open the door with your knees. There you go. There you go. You got it, man. So this is what it's like. Pride in someone else.
Yeah. You gotta become a coach now.
What do you mean, coach?
No, don't make his head any bigger.
I've become a father.
Don't make his head any bigger, please.
Send it. Hey, good afternoon. Quick question. If I want to see Corbet's Couloir, do I hit up this, is it the air tram here or?
Tram, yeah, the air tram. It's not open for skiing right now, but I think they're doing sightseeing ticket.
Check downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I have the icon pass. I can head up there just to see it.
I think even so, you might need a sightseeing something.
Oh,
Because
okay,
they're not
gotcha.
open for skiing, which is unusual at this point, but
Yeah.
ask roll around the bottom of this
Okay.
building. It's the ticket office.
All right,
They,
perfect.
they will know exactly.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Sort of day by day. So.
Yeah, yeah. I just wanted to see it. Came all this way. I have to see it.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good one.
See it from the gondola.
Uh huh.
So if you take the bridge or gondola, if you're skiing,
Okay.
you can see it across. Yeah,
Okay.
from there.
All right. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah, you want to check it. I'm good. I've got layers of gloves.
Hey, how's it going? How are you? So you got Corbet's cabin over here, cafe, restroom, ski patrol. Nice little shindig up here, I guess to grab a bite or have a bathroom break. Let's go check it out. Here's the aerial tram that we came in on. Pretty awesome. Nice entrance, dude. So Joey killed it on that last one of TEEWINOT. How you feeling, man?
Alive. He picked up that heel edge real nice. I saw
Yeah,
it.
dude, you picked it up instantly. He woke up today like, I'm heel edging. So yeah, took a bit of a nasty spill halfway down through TEEWINOT. Like, I got too relaxed at one point, I think, and I ate it. You'll see it in Chad's footage of this here too. Literally landed straight on my buttocks, and that was quite painful. But I wanted to do one more run. I wanted to get a couple blues in and end it on that note, but I feel like you need to know when to call it in.
You don't want to risk an injury.
Don't want to risk anything.
I felt it in my ankle, so I was
you,
like, you know
you
what,
got,
I'm gonna.
Yeah, you kind of got a bit of a mini injury.
I had a couple bad spills, so coming down the.
And lost a jacket. That was a priceless jacket. So anyway,
Don't buy stuff from Burlington Coat Factory, guys.
don't go to Burlington Coat Factory looking for ski and snowboarding jackets. But I think I'm gonna call it a day and live to snowboard another day. It's early in the season, don't want to risk anything. It is what it is, that's part of the sport. I'm so proud of these boys, like you guys are doing great, and especially Joey. Shout out to Joey, man. You got something I gotta link, like Instagram or Tinder profile?
Just watch out for the movie Cool Runnings 3 coming from.
All right, Chad, any closing remarks? What do you think of Jackson Hole?
Hey, it's a beautiful sport. It's fun. Just gotta don't do something stupid so you don't hurt yourself.
Don't do something stupid, that's
Safety
right. I
first.
think I'm hoping to hit the East Coast for my next snowboarding trip. Anyways, closing remarks, guys, let's hear it.
It's a good.
All right, let's get some bison burger.
There you go.